Okay, let's taste this one. Today we're going to do a comparison test. KFC, 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 recipe 30, recipe 30, recipe 30, recipe 30. Alright, so let's go to KFC and get some of these wicked chicken wings.
Welcome to KFC, how can I help?
Okay, could I get some of those wicked chicken wings, please?
How many, sorry?
Just 6 pieces, thanks.
There you go, mate. Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to make my recipe 30 version. Now back to the recipe. Okay, let's try these KFC Wicked Wings. Okay, so the crunch remains satisfying even after some time has passed. The juiciness level is adequate. However, there's no noticeable spiciness in this flavour. I would not call these wicked. They are nice, they are tasty, there's a right amount of seasoning, but there's no wickedness. Okay, now let's try my recipe 30 version. No. There's truly no comparison. You can taste the spice, you can taste the heat from the cayenne, you can taste the saltiness, the pepper. I find KFC very bland in comparison to this recipe. This is not a copycat recipe. This is a way to improve these wicked wings, because wings that are wicked have to have spice and they have to have heat. Otherwise, they're not wicked wings. So in conclusion, if you want quick takeout and you want an easy drive-through purchase, go KFC. If you've got a little bit more time and you want something very special at home for a dinner party or even for yourselves, fried food is an occasional food, right? You shouldn't have it every day because it's not the healthiest food, but once in a while your body will take it. Then I suggest trying to make it yourself and try these Wicked Wings recipe. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Enjoy.